Hi, Crafty Angels, and Esther here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with an update on my hand. It's been a week today since I've had my surgery. And I have a bruise going from here all the way up here and into all right here, but it's getting better. Um, I am not moving my thumb as much, but I do a little like something like this to keep it so it doesn't get stiff. Um, I can still use these four fingers with no problem. I just can't do it the way I want, but it's getting better. I'll be back next week once I have the stitches out and give y'all another update to see how it's going. And I have a piece of elastic here sticking out and it bothers me, but I can't find my skeezers. So I will be back next week with another update. I do ice it and the swelling has gone down immensely. So but I'm still not using this hand that much. I can do these four fingers when I do a craft, but I don't move my thumb. So, and I'm not still not using my glue gun or anything, no ripping, things like that, but it's getting there. So, lucky I have a lot of things that I can do without having to rip this and rip that and use scissors and stuff like that. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And remember, you always wear everything is made with love in every stitch. Also, be kind, be blessed, be crafty, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.